watching Sierra Janae. Let's go.
So I wait for my cue. So tell me straight up, up, up. I don't want it, no other way, no other way, other way. Tell me straight up, up, up. I don't want it, no other way, no other way.
Hello, gorgeous people, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Sierra Janae, and I'm here with an all-new spring hair care tutorial. I'm bringing you my spring sleek and easy ponytail extension tutorial. And if you're new here and you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell for more uploads like this one. And let's get right off into the video. Let's roll. Okay, ladies, we all wonder what we could do with our hair. Just really quick, easy, simple, sleek, pull back, chic for the spring. So I picked up this cute little hair extension from Amazon, and I purchased this last year, and it's called the Free Grace Clip-In Ponytail Extension Wrap Around Straight Human Hair Ponytail. Wow, that was a mouthful, but this is really easy for me when I'm on the go. I've used this on several different occasions, and I can't wait to show you guys how to do this hairstyle. So let's get into it. I'll definitely be linking everything down below, so be sure to check out the description box for the links to the hair extensions. As you can see, this is what the color of the hair looks like. I got it in a 1B. I try to get it as close as my hair color as possible. It's very flowy and soft, and of course I need to wash it, but this is what it looks like. And it also has a little clip here to attach to your ponytail and to wrap around. So let's get right into this ponytail tutorial. First up, I'm just gonna use my spray bottle and just spray my hair, wet it down, get it saturated so my hair can lay really, really flat. So that's what I'm gonna do here, and you're gonna see that right now. Now that I got my hair all dripping wet and saturated, I'm just going to take my wet brush and just evenly brush out my hair so that it lays flat. Next, I'm going to go in with the original anti-breakage formula of the Blue Magic Grease, and I've been using this since I was a little girl, so I will be using this on my hair and scalp just to give it some conditioning and nourishment while under the ponytail. I'm not going to put too much, but I'm just going to put enough just to nourish my hair. going to take my hairbrush and a scrunchie to match my hair and the ponytail, and also some Eco Styling Gel just to give it that sleek, clean look. As you can see, I'm really just brushing my hair down and getting it sleek as possible with the gel. And this really creates the illusion effect that I have straightened my hair when I really haven't. So once I add the ponytail, it's going to look really nice and close to my hair being straight as possible without any heat at all. Now it's time for my favorite part. It's time to boost up these edges, girl. So I will be using the Cream of Nature Argan Oil Perfect Edge Control 24-hour extra hold. And I'm just gonna boost up my edges real quick and be right back. Now, before I put on the ponytail extension, I always like to plait up my real hair underneath in a 3-strand twist. That way, my hair can stay flat and hidden underneath the ponytail extension. Finally, now it's time to install the ponytail. I have here the ponytail and some bobby pins just to make sure that my hair stays secure and tight underneath the ponytail extension.
Don't wanna take it slow, just wanna let you know. Ready to spend some time, I wanna spend some time. Needed some time to grow, just wanna let you know. Ready to spend some time, I wanna spend some time. Ready to talk, baby, can be your rock, baby. Please come and sit with me, or take a walk with me. I need to speak to you, just wanna be with you. Just let me take you for a ride. Is there a chance that we could make another try? I think we're meant to be.
Now that I have the extended piece wrapped around the ponytail, I always like to take the bobby pins and pin them underneath the ponytail. That way they will be hidden out of the way and you can't see like the bobby pin sticking out or anything like that. And so the ponytail can look nice and neat and sleek and intact.
Like whoa, 어지러워 I see 한여름에도 난 겨울 Yeah, girl, yeah 너와 있을 때 I swear 제가 먼저 zero 폭설한 그 chill day 꿈에도 I wasn't aware 나만 빼고 넌 모두에게 참 친절해 내 신감이 들어 단판이 태도 머릿속을 흔들니 ibuprofen 그만해 it's time to stop 승부욕을 자극하는 style Yeah 알면서도 마음이 자꾸 내게 가 안만 빠져버릴까 If you want me back Yeah, yeah, you got me Let it go 얼어붙어 like whoa 띵하고 어지러워 I see 한여름에도 넌 겨울 Yeah, go 이제 뭐야 모두 stress은 gotta let it go 했어 소개팅 데이팅 어플 다 깔아도 보았어 반대가 끌린대 opposites attract Don't know about me and you, yeah we fell into the cracks Yeah 깎고 너네 no cap 왜 나는 보여 what's happening
And there you have it. I hope you guys have enjoyed seeing me do this lovely spring sleek ponytail extension look. And if you want to see more videos like these, please give me a big thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to get more uploads like these. And also I'll be linking everything down in the description box below, so be sure to check it out. And I just want to say thank you to all of my new subscribers and all of my subscribers that have been holding it down for me since day one. I love you guys and welcome to the team. Welcome to my journey, Sierra Janae. I love you guys and subscribe.
Be your biggest fan. And
As always, I want to leave you guys here with some motivational, inspirational quotes. And the quote of the day is, and before I get off into the quote, I just want to wish every woman around the world Happy Women's Heritage Month. To every woman that has ever graced this earth, we want to celebrate all women of all races and all color. We love you and we appreciate you, and I just want to motivate and encourage you guys. So the quote of the day is, we may encounter many defeats, but we must not be defeated. Maya Angelou. And I just really love that quote by Maya Angelou. We may encounter these defeats through our life, but those defeats, those trials and tribulations, it's what's gonna make us strong. It's what's gonna help us climb that mountain. We might be in the valley right now. We might be in the season of valleys, but just know that we can climb the mountain. And God is the way to see over the mountain. When we have God, He's able to help us get through the valley and climb over the mountain. So I hope I'm encouraging you guys today. If you feel defeated in your spirit, if you feel defeated in your mindset, if you're having just those thoughts, you're just feeling down in your spirit, I want to encourage you today that you are more than a conqueror, because God made you more than a conqueror. And I love you guys. Stay encouraged. You are not defeated. You are an overcomer and you are victorious. I love you, ladies, and happy Women's Heritage Month. I love you guys. And if you like what you see, continue watching me. That's your girl, Sierra Janae. And don't forget to subscribe. I will see you guys next time. Bye.